Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PC restarting randomly in Windows 11 computer. So random unexpected restart on Windows 11 are triggered than the gaming crashes because they don't care what you're doing. So let's see how to fix this one. First, turn off Windows Fast Startup. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type Control Panel. Processes are both similar in the Windows 10 and 11, that's why I am using Windows 10 computer. Select the Control Panel. Then after, you need to click on Hardware and Sound option. Then select the power options. On the left sidebar, you can see choose what the power buttons do option. Click on it. Then you can see there is a blue color option, change setting that are currently unavailable. Tap on it. Then you can see turn on fast startup is ticked. So you need to untick this one like this. Then tap on save changes. And the second method is change advanced power management setting. Again, as usual, you need to go to the search bar, type Control Panel, go to that Control Panel, then go to Hardware and Sound, go to Power Options. Next, to your selected power plan, click Change Power Plan Setting like this. Then click on Change Advanced Power Setting. In the pop-up window, expand hard disk option, scroll down. Yeah, it is already expanded. Then turn off hard disk after this option. Turn off hard disk after. Change the setting to 0. This should be 0 like this, which sets it is never. So it is never turn off. Then scroll down, expand PCI Express section like this. Tap on this. Then tap on link state power management option. Double tap on it. Tap on this one. Make sure to set it as turn off like this. Then tap on OK. Third method is use Windows Event Viewer to find the culprit. So first you need to right click on the start menu button. Then go to the Event Viewer. Okay, in this menu, on the left column, expand Windows logos and click on System option. In the right side column, click Filter Current Log option. Click on it. Check the boxes for critical and error. Then click OK. Now it is loading. Wait for the loading. Okay. So in the event level, you need to check the boxes for critical and error like this. Click on OK. Okay, then there are several logs are appearing. Find the logs for kernel power. You can see it is right here. It is kernel power option, and this one also kernel power. There are several options, and you can see the date and time also. Simply double tap on it. Then you can see in the menu what happened when it is shut down. So look at the errors that happened few seconds before the kernel power error. If you see repeated errors mentioning a specific device name like NVIDIA devices, AMD devices kind of thing, that is a hardware component, and you found your culprit. And the next method is update or rollback problematic drivers. If this issue is started after recent update, you need to right click on the start menu, then go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your driver, then go to the properties tab, go to the driver section, tap on rollback driver option if it is available, or else you can uninstall device. Don't tick this one, just tap on uninstall. Last method, fifth method is actually run a deep RAM diagnosis using Windows memory diagnosis. So you need to go to search bar, type mdsched.exe. So you can see Windows memory diagnosis pop-up menu. Tap on it. Then click on restart now and check for problems. Then when you click this one, your computer will be restart and it will open blue screen menu, and it is testing your memory. Let it complete 100%. If it detects any errors, that means your RAM stick has a physical damage. So the last method is uninstall the latest Windows 11 Cumulative update. To do that, you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, scroll down and go to Update and Security, go to Windows Update section, scroll down, tap on View Update History, go to Uninstall Updates. So these are the updates that you are currently installed on your computer. You can see which date it is installed, and you can simply uninstall latest update that you are installed. So this method will be fix your issue.